pretty well are coming to an end. I just got this truck back from alignment. Basically all I have to do is clean this thing up and give it to the guy. So I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. It runs phenomenal, it drives great, it shifts smooth. It does need a little bit taller gear than the 373s, but it's definitely way better than what it was. So here's the truck, it's done. Midwest OBS Garage swap project number 1 in the books and on YouTube. This is the first complete one that the camera has been involved in, so stay tuned. The rest is only up from here, baby.